you all. How are you all doing on today? I hope you all are doing well. I was sent this wig from WowAfrican.com. They sent me it's a bob wig. It's a 12-inch straight unit. It's asymmetrical, so it was high in the back and low in the front. The knots on this wig already came pre-bleached, so I only had to go in and customize the hairline when it came to the customizing process. I did go ahead and color this wig. I was bored in the house. Yeah, I'm in the house bored. And yeah, I wanted to add some color to it. Y'all do not kill me because I did not get the coloring process. This was my first time really doing like blonde highlights, so I just wanted to kind of practice it on my own before bringing it to you all, acting like I know everything, you know. So yeah, I just went ahead and I put some like sloppy blonde highlights in my hair. I did 2 rounds of bleach processing. I used BW2 bleach with a 40 volume developer for both times, and then I went in and toned my hair with it's the Wella Charm toner, and I used T15, like the beige blonde. I'll put all the information down below if you are interested. But again, I'm so sorry I did not get the coloring process, nor did I get when I cut the hair, because I did cut the hair to more of a blunt cut, straight even bob. But yeah, if y'all do want to see how I got this color or how I achieved my highlights, y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know you want to see it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, you know, show me some love. If you show me some love, I'll be sure to get that out for you all. I did manage to show you all how I cut my lace though. I used my manicure scissors, and I like to cut close to the hairline. I don't cut straight across. I just nip it to make sure I'm not doing like a straight across cut. Okay, so I'm about to put the wig on. Y'all know how I put my wig on. I did use bedhead spray to apply my wig. I do want to say with this wig, I think I said at the beginning, I processed it twice if you count the toner 3 times. And for me to have processed it that much, this hair is silky, y'all. Like, this hair bleached wonderfully, okay? I had no issues. It was easy to work with. Like, the hair on the wig is really good. Even when it came down to me flat ironing the hair, I did not have to add any like styling products to help me press out the hair. I was able to run my flat iron through, and it just got nice and silky straight with no problem. So yeah, I definitely enjoyed this wig. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Y'all cannot tell me anything with this wig, okay? Stiff wear, no stiff, bitch. No stiff. But yeah, y'all, very cute wig. I love the color job. Again, if y'all want to see how I did my highlights, then be sure to light up my comment section, hit the thumbs up button, get those likes up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be sure to get that out for you all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much. Stay safe out here in these streets, okay? Stay prayed up, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye.